Hello and welcome to New India Junction. I'm Richa, bringing you the top stories from Eastern India every Saturday on NIJ East this week. Let's take a look at this week's most important stories. With a sudden surge in COVID-19 cases in Assam, the state government has made it mandatory for people arriving in Assam via trains and flights to undergo a mandatory 7-day home quarantine, even if they test negative for COVID-19 upon arrival. COVID-19 testing facilities are being ramped up, with a screening center being set up in every ward of Guwahati city for easy access to rapid antigen and RT-PCR tests. Assam government has also granted oxygen, argon and nitrogen-carrying vehicles the status of ambulance in order to facilitate their hassle-free movement for the speedy delivery of oxygen to critical centers. The state government has also placed order for 1 crore doses with Bharat Biotech to boost vaccination drives. Amid a surge in COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya, which has taken the total tally of active cases to over 15,000, the Conrad Sangma-led government has issued restrictions in the state. RT-PCR test has been made mandatory at all entry points to the state. Tourist spots will remain shut till 30th April. Non-essential shops will remain shut from 26th April to 2nd May, and government offices will operate at 33% strength. Meghalaya government has also planned to conduct vaccination drives on war footing as a preventive measure against COVID-19. After a nationwide spike in COVID-19 cases, the Election Commission has prohibited any roadshow, padyatra, cycle, bike and vehicle rallies in West Bengal in the wake of various political parties flouting COVID-19 protocols in the state during election campaigning. Political parties are now resorting to virtual rallies for the last 2 phases of the West Bengal Assembly elections. Meanwhile, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee yet again skipped a crucial meeting on COVID-19 chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the Chief Ministers of various states on Friday. Tripura government has imposed night curfew in the state from 10 pm to 5 am till 30th April amid a surge in COVID-19 cases. A penalty of Rs 1,000 for violation of social distancing norms in transports, businesses and public places will be imposed, while people will be fined Rs 200 for the first violation and Rs 400 for subsequent violations for failing to wear masks. Sikkim Chief Minister P.S. Thamang chaired a high-level meeting on Thursday to take stock of the COVID-19 situation in the state. Thamang also called for reconstruction of a task force for effective COVID-19 crisis management. Additionally, the Sikkim government has announced free COVID-19 vaccination for people between 18 and 45 years of age. Manipur government has imposed curfew from 7 pm to 5 am in the state to tackle the spread of COVID-19. All gatherings have been banned in the state. The number of people attending marriages and funerals has been restricted to 20. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed a virtual rally on Friday where he urged the people of West Bengal to come out and vote in large numbers. He added this will be his last address to the people of Bengal before they vote in the remaining 2 phases of assembly elections. Prime Minister Modi said that the BJP-led government will end the regime of extortion, cut corruption, which are the only barriers for the development of the state. So that was all from us today on NIJ East this week. Do let us know in the comments below what you think of our content. Until next Saturday, goodbye and take care.